你要喝什么？哦，随便都好。红茶？不要。绿茶？不要。你不喝红茶，也不喝绿茶，那咖啡呢？Hello everyone， 你们好，我是 Tissy 陈老师。你们今天好吗？ I hope you learned the names of some fruit in Mandarin and had fun making candy fruit in my last mini lesson. If you haven't watched it, welcome to check it out after today's mini lesson. So, what are we going to do today? You will learn how to make tea in Mandarin and fika with me and my friends. What is fika? If you are living in Sweden, you definitely know what the Swedish word fika means. Now, let's get started. 茶，茶，红茶，红茶，杯子，杯子，牛奶，牛奶，糖，糖，热水，热水，烫，烫，甜甜的，甜甜的，好喝，好喝。我要喝什么？红茶，绿茶，还是咖啡？我要喝红茶。我要泡茶。我需要杯子。茶包。我也需要水。冷水，冷水，茶，我需要热水，电热水壶，煮水。好了，热水，我泡茶。我喝喝看。 太烫了，太烫了。我需要牛奶。牛奶。我也要一点糖。搅一搅。好了。我喝喝看。甜甜的，很好喝。Tina， 你要喝什么？哦，随便，都好。红茶。不要，我不要红茶。绿茶。不要，我不要绿茶。你不喝红茶，也不喝绿茶，那咖啡呢？我要喝咖啡。好，我泡咖啡。瑞典咖啡怎么样？
5 minutes later.
你的咖啡好了。哦，谢谢。没有牛奶。我要加牛奶。你有糖吗？我也要一点糖。我朋友要牛奶和一点糖。搅一搅。好了。你要吃肉桂卷吗？好，几个？我吃半个。我吃一个。我吃2个。
2 hours later.
我和我朋友今天 fika， 他喝咖啡，我喝茶。我们的咖啡和茶都加牛奶和糖，甜甜的，很好喝。我们也吃肉桂卷，我吃2个，他吃半个。肉桂卷甜甜的，很好吃。我喝茶，但是我朋友不喝茶。你呢？你喝茶吗？你喜欢喝红茶还是绿茶？红茶、绿茶我都喜欢喝。你呢？ 我朋友喝瑞典咖啡，你呢？你喝什么咖啡？我和我朋友都喜欢吃肉桂卷。肉桂卷甜甜的，很好吃。你呢？你喜欢吃肉桂卷吗？我喝茶的时候加牛奶和糖，甜甜的，很好喝。你呢？你喝茶的时候加牛奶和糖吗？ So, that's all for today's lesson. You are welcome to share your answers in the comment sections below. Fika is a popular and important culture in Sweden. It's similar to having afternoon tea, but in Sweden you can fika anytime. If you like today's mini lesson, please give me a thumbs up. In the next mini lesson, I'm going to show you what I usually eat for Taiwanese breakfast and how to make it in Mandarin. See you next time. 再见。